and maternity.
Then we have audit. The audit manager.
Is part and parcel to the government of Meru. And listen to his message.
We are in the process of forming a new corporation called the Meru County Urban Water and Sanitation Services Corporation, which is going to take over. It will take over you staff. You'll be staff of the corporation. It will take over any assets that you have. They will be assets of the corporation. And then it will also take over your operations, the operations of the corporation. So as far as you are concerned, you just change an employer from ours to the corporation. And the corporation will continue detaining you in whatever positions you are. So it has no effect at all as the staff is concerned.